How do you clean and oil the Bernina Q16? Hi there, Irene here from Sugaridoo. Welcome to another Q&A Tuesday video on my channel. And today I am going to answer the question, how do you care for your Bernina sit-down machine? So I have a Bernina Q16 and I'm going to clean out the bobbin area and oil it and just show you how I do it. So first things first, let's remove my foot and my needle. Then I have all the space I need to clean out this area. I have my little brush. By pushing here, you can remove the stitch plate. And let's see, you can already go in here and remove some of the lint that's building up. But let's move down to check the underside of the bobbin area. So at the bottom of the table we have this area, and as you can see there is quite some lint and dust over here. So now I remove the bobbin case, and that leaves me with this open area, so I can remove the lint with my little brush. But now also when I brush from the top, you can see that everything can nicely drop down. So I start here at the top, brush it all down, and then I move down here. A little brush in the bobbin area over here. So I think that's good. Then I'll just take out my bobbin and also give this a little brush. There we go. You can also remove this oops, that's not in focus, sorry. You can also remove this spring part here, but as long as it's nice and clean, I'll just leave it in there. There we go. Bobbin back in place. I'll put it back in over here. There we go. And then when everything looks nice and clean, I'll rotate this, what is it? A button? Oh, pretty big button. But then you see the needle would go up and down and the area here moves. So this is a gripper that grips your thread. And you can put in a dot of oil over there. So let me zoom in so you can see where I'm going to put it. There we go. So what it does is, normally it would be something like this, but when you rotate this, you can see the area where you can put a little drop of oil, and that is over there. So let's rotate this some more, and then it's nice and oil again. And that is how I take care of my Q16. It's really nice to do this every once in a while. When I forget, it eventually will start making a little bit more noise, a little bit more clunky sounds while quilting, so that will definitely remind me to do some cleaning and oiling, and then it sews like a perfect machine again. So that's it for this week's Q&A. If you have a question or want to know something about quilting, Sugaridoo, let me know in the comments below and I might answer your question in the next one. See you, bye!